Check, check. See, that's working. Why doesn't this one work? Check, check.
Check, check.
Okay, so why doesn't my browser view work? I'm going to get rid of this. I'll just go remove. Yes, and then this is weird too. I don't like this. It's not much of a stream information. Let's try that again. Okay, see that? Why it does fine like that. But when you do updates separately, it takes you to this weird page where it just wants you to do everything. What does the website look like? Of course, that looks like that, right? Unable to connect to DLive. What? Let's go to DLive. What the problem is?
Forcément, j'aime bien.
I'm offline. So how do I rectify that? Turn it off and back on again? Sending data. This is muted, right? It's not even a mute button, really. Sending data. Streaming all up on the Facebook too. Unable to connect. Am I supposed to do something? Maybe I need to verify my account or something. I don't even have my peek through open either. Let's get that happening. Yes. Peek through, activate, settings. What you got for me? That's a quick way to dox yourself, eh? I don't want to go to community. What is this? download the app on my computer. Can't connect to DLive with Restream. Maybe I just have to reset the settings or something here. Let's go remove channel. I guess so. Remove channel and then just add channel. I might have to throw up a BRB. DLive. All right, so apparently all I had to do was reconnect here. Yeah, quite a bit of a delay. Where's my marquee? My marquee's not in this one. It's supposed to be on this one, but this one doesn't, microphone doesn't want to work. So let's just copy this. Default in. Copy. How much let me copy? Okay, there we go. Copy into the browser. Reference. Switch to browser. Mic check. Check. Okay, so it's okay now. For some strange reason, I don't have to show off my OBS anymore. So, of course, I'll probably switch back and forth to my regular pewter screen, just because I'll probably be doing some art, possibly. Maybe I'll just fall back. Restream also doesn't have its own mobile app. I mean, there's a lot going on, so I can imagine why not, but... Okay, so I'll just hang out here for a while until, I don't know, something awful happens, I guess. I don't know. Get yourself in there. I also got to reduce my profanity and not so great stuff because, yeah, multiple streams, that's multiple places now. Oh, I don't record. Yes, stop recording. I want this to be smaller. Can you make that smaller? Oh, man. Okay, that can be smaller, but why can't this be smaller? Can I zoom? I can zoom in, but I can't zoom out. Great. So it's just going to take up all that space. But at least I know that, yeah. I know what these things are saying. So they all say getting to set up. Streaming. Kick doesn't say anything. Why doesn't Kick say anything? Oh, yeah, great. But I mean, it's just the URL, not the stream, or not the key, right? So what does Kick say? Kick, JWP stream. My first stream. Like I'm 5 years old, huh? Okay, so can I edit settings? That won't give me that thing though, eh? No, it doesn't. So there's no update titles. There we go. Update all. Anything set up. Oh, but then I changed all my... It's not what I wanted. Whoa! Welcome to the live. Gift. I can barely read that. Be nice if this thing had a... Can I click it or what? It says hold control, right? Okay, so there we go. Appearance. And I'm going to click, hold shift and click. Did I totally lose it already? Okay, so let's get this open a little bit. Background opacity, maybe a little bit. Be live. If you need help, maybe the community program member. Head over to Discord. Apply for a welcome abroad program to get your welcome gift from DLive. Be sure to abide by service and terms of service. Okay, so let's go get a gift. I like gifts. So how can I do this. Can I like get an can I change the font so we can get an outline? What this does. This window's too big. It's also a little bit transparent too. The banner is transparent. That's annoying. There's no OK button, just close. No way to change the font color. See, this thing has a nice little background. Avatars. What happens if I turn that off? Why doesn't anything update? Where's the OK button? I just switch. Just close it. Stream. Message. Theme. So can I change theme somewhere else around here? Appearance. Filtering, logout, analytics. What's this? Connected to 5 channels. That's nice. What does dashboard do? Okay, that probably just takes me back to Restream. What is this live with Restream? Why is this here? Okay. So no way to change fonts, huh? And there's no way to get any of these. What? Let's look that up. Yeah, back to the thingy. This camper is no signs. Apply and get $30 US dollars incentive. Wow. Well, why would you leave that in your welcome wagon? It's cheaping out on me. My $30 I don't get. Okay, change. Let's just say outline font. Outline font in Restream chat. Desktop. Custom your embedded Restream chat. Overlay Restream chat on desktop. Restream chat. Everything you need to know. Customize Restream chat with CSS. But wouldn't that just be like the embedded version? Let's look at this. Download the Restream chat app. Appearance. It's on top. Control. Show basics. Additional options. Borderless gaming. For some days, whenever you play, blah blah blah. Let's give it some work. Borderless. There's no way to change it. So anytime that there's a white background, it's always going to be hidden or missing. Unless I bring up the background. Stream chat. Well, that's no good. Your chat templates. But they won't work for the app. Well, they don't tell you that in the presentation, huh? Even these little bubbles would be nice. How do I get the little bubbles? I mean, they're a little intrusive, but at least they probably fade away. How come this never fades away? Ugh, I'm not really feeling this. Download from desktop. They sort of misrepresented a little bit. Maybe it's in the dashboard. Let's go back here. Supposed to be doing art, not fighting with chat, but I guess it's part of it, right? And I'm the only one watching myself. Huh? So what's going on with these lemons? I wonder how I earn lemons after a little while. Yeah, right, 5 viewers, I'm so sure. Oh, less than 5 viewers, okay. Greater than? Less than. It's gotta be less than. What's this? Add lemon to the chest to reward your followers. So I have to do it manually, it doesn't just... I guess not. It's money. Collect wallets, start. Connect wallets. Please connect Tron link wallet to donate crypto. The Tron link. This stream. Get lemon. Alright, so let's get out of here as I'm the only viewer in 2 different places. It doesn't show viewers. It does show viewers here. Again, probably just me again and again. What's my overlay? Okay, I'm just showing off my desktop here. Let's at least... This is getting annoying now. I kind of liked my old version of chat. But at least it's multi-chat, I guess. And it's not a browser window. What am I doing? Okay, so I want the browser and I want the marquee. Copy the marquee. Put it here. Reference. And I got an email. So where is it? It's on top. It's where I want it to be. I can bring back up the chat for no reason. So I'm going to fix this up a bit as much as I can, I suppose. As there's nothing really special about it, which is really disappointing. I mean, are you talking to me? Be nice to have, a black outline so I can read what's going on. But that's not going to happen, I guess. So I'm just going to have to use peek through. What is compact mode? So there's the bubble. There we go. But then it still kind of just floats there forever. There's no timeouts. Show viewer counter, show avatars. Top. Even still, though, like, it's really in the way. I'm pretty sure that's where I usually put my chat, though. What about wrist size ability? When I shrink it, is it gonna sort of fix it? Okay, so it fixes the paragraphs, which is good. So let's kind of minimize it a bit here. That's annoying too. That's gonna be a problem. It's likely why there's a click through. But it is nice that it floats. It'd be cool if there was a hotkey to just clear it. I don't want to embed chats. Reply commands. Reply command. Discord. Message test. Message text. Repeat with timer. Okay, there we go. We got some chat bots. I don't need other chat bots. I got my own restream chat. Right on restream. I guess there's some good things happening. I need some fresh air. Okay. So Discord. I'm gonna have to take it from Stream Elements, which is suited, right? Since Stream Elements doesn't want to help me out. Bots, timers. I don't like that. Can I clear it? Is there a way to clear it? Oh yeah, it's stuck in this. It's stuck in fucking Facebook mode. Can I get to... What is this? No. Can I get to... There we go. I want Twitch. Give me the Twitch one. I didn't know you could do that. It's too bad Stream Elements doesn't support Kick or anything else. What's new in sponsorships? Nothing interesting. Oops. Okay, so timers, and this is in the way again. I'm gonna, yes, there we go. I'm gonna click through it. I guess it is just as intrusive as it used to be. It's a little more transparent, which is good. Timers, I want commands, custom commands, Discord, and so put that. That's my original one. Hopefully it still works. Such text, repeat the timer, no. Repeat never, command. Interesting. Enable chat timers. This option will enable all interval timers that you have previously set up to avoid double posting. Be sure only to enable chat timers in one instance of Restream chat. I got to study today. I totally forgot I got to study. Relay analytics. Oops. What is this? What is this, meow? Chat analytics? There's nobody talking. Big surprise. Okay, so let's close that. And I'm good there. Overlay Restream chat on desktop. Like I said, it would still be nice to have completely transparent and then just sort of a black outline for white letters or a white outline for black letters. Can I make a request like that? Can I do that? Okay, so let's close this stuff off and somewhere. Like a help thing, right? Support, settings, create team, invite my friends. What is that? Support Ukraine. Help center. So is there a let's see anything. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be also streaming to meet me. Gotta remember to stay in that habit. Okay, so in order to do that, it has nothing to do with Restream. To start virtual camera. And then we go live. And go live. Yeah. And I want OBS virtual camera, microphone HD. I'm not sure if it's going to rob it. It shouldn't. It should allow it to share, right? Whoa. So what am I looking at here? Why is it all vertical like that? Yeah, I already said allow. But that's not my, oh, it is. It's just down the middle. Device setting. So what, I got to put my head in the middle? Okay. Let's go in the middle then. Let's go transform center horizontally. All right. Bam. And I should show up in the little window. Yeah, there I am. Oh, it's that's not even running yet. We're working to bring all the features you love to the apps. Whoa, where'd it go? Yeah. Starting video input failed. I'm gonna try again. Starting. It's gonna be kind of a little heavy on my computer too. I thought there was like a whole section, like you can see a chat on the side and stuff. Starting. Add description to stretch your time. Getting set up. I think it's broken. I don't think it's gonna work. I might have to go to Chrome. Let's shut it down. Oh yeah, it's totally froze it now. Totally froze it. Let's check out Chrome then. And so BRB whilst I log in. So it says it's starting, but it's not starting. Let's try here. Never miss another. Sure, why the hell not? Go ahead. As if it really matters. Okay, live. Hi, Greek. Waiting for camera. Okay. An error occurred while attempting to access your stuff. Maybe that's why. Maybe I can't share the microphone. Set up, waiting for camera. And always block camera. Continue allowing manage. No, I don't want to manage. I want to set them to specific things. Microphone default. Continue. Access camera. Well, how do I change them? Waiting for camera. Over here, maybe? Camera. What is this? Okay, so that's not working either. I'm going to drop my microphone for a second and we'll see if it lets me jump in there with my microphone. Because I got the live virtual camera running, right? It shouldn't be a problem. Oh, well, I guess not. One thing at a time, I suppose. So is there a suggestion box? Because I had a live chat, but maybe it's behind my support tool here. Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay, so send a message. The feature stream to website. What? By upgrade, get started. Something isn't working. Getting started. Stream with OBS. Something else. Guess not. Let's say restream feature request. Suggestions and feature requests, not GitHub. Restream feature requests. I'm just gonna throw it at them. Let's see what happens. Getting started. Something else. Where can I send feature requests or suggestions? As I'm new, there are going to be many. As I'm new to restream, there are going to be many. Let's put an A there. That's not right. And that needs to be a question mark. And that's going to take a while. Oops. Okay, so let's get out of there. Now what am I doing? I guess I can go offline and come back on. Oops. And perhaps get to studying, was there? Yeah, I guess I got to fill in my stuff, eh? So let's fill in the stuff here. We'll start from the top. What does Restream say is on top? DLive. Okay, so let's go to DLive. TV. No, me. I don't want to go to me. JWP stream. Let's put this back. My head is probably still in the middle of my stream, so let's move it back in the corner. Oh, isn't that nice, huh? Okay, get lost. Okay, so we gotta make some stuff here, edit panels. And we're gonna start by emulating Twitch, I guess. TV. I kind of wanted something a little different than what I used to have. I wanted to like upgrade some stuff. However, that would take artwork and it's supposed to be study time. So let's go about. We'll just get into this here. This is JWP, J Ward Primo Beats. There's that guy. Okay, so some of this stuff is going to have to go. I still have to do a Hydrux gaming channel. Oh, so much remarketing to do. Okay, so, well, let's add an image. Let's get started. And then streaming assets, we want channel graphics, not those ones. It's channel graphics. There we go. So first up was about, right? About small, about big. How big is that? How big is this? 320 by 156. Well, what size does it need to be? Then grab some of this. And description is the same. It's just a question. Maybe something. It's just saying the same thing I just said, isn't it? Though. Where's this thing? There it is. What do you have? Black bordering for text in the chat desk. When text is when background is transparent, text is over white space, it disappears. Chat support for band labs. New streaming feature. There's another one. Support for dating streaming. Dating streaming on what would it be like social streaming sites such as meetme.com. Anyway, what have you have? There's no face. It's faceless. Okay, so continuing along. Blah, 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 blah. Let's copy that and we'll get that into DLive. It's already there, but I'm going to pull. Sometimes I do my gaming here. Let's get that out. Check out my streaming related links here. Check out my auto resume here. Check out my website for my latest social links, news and updates, and public offerings. That would be https whatever colon that is //www.jwpsites.com. That's it. Submit. And the reply said, "Next feedback with a request of feedback system use organized part. Loop and meet me support." Well, what about Texas? Cool. Somebody's on the ball. All right, so I don't need YouTube anymore. Not right now. However, I'm sure there will be more future. I like your feedback system. It is appreciated. Of course, I could use a better sound effect. Anyway, can I close this thing? I keep forgetting that it's hiding behind my face. Okay, so that one's done. Image links to nowhere. JWP site. YouTube. Okay, so don't need YouTube because that's going to be in here. What does this look like? Image links to HTTP ES www. JWP site. Gone. I don't need a copy of that. This doesn't need a title. Submit. Okay, I think it is closing. Gotta go ahead and close. Blah blah blah. Yeah, okay. Oh, great. Actually, I could have went there. Amazing. Okay, so what's up next? Schedule. Does DLive have a schedule system? Can I stop it? Ooh, interesting. Okay. Does it have a schedule system? Oh, my face looks crazy red. Why does my face look so red? It's like a head floating. How's that? Is that better? That's a bit better. At least my face doesn't look so dang red. Okay, so earnings, followers, blah, panels. Schedule? No schedule? Replays, highlights, earnings, followers, following. Videos, highlights, earnings. What does this button do? Share. Anyway, let's get some more panels happening, I suppose. Add panel. Next up we have schedule, which is there. Actually, I guess I'll use like the same schedule. I'll make like a, what's it call it, maps? Calendar, Google Calendar for my schedules, for my scheduling. Okay, so let's go calendar.googlybots.com. Then we'll go to my professional account. Okay, and then what is this? This chat box is in the way. Out of the way, you chat box. Okay, birthdays. Why are birthdays? Let's get rid of that. Get rid of this. Can I get rid of that? No. Tasks. No. Get rid of that. No. Okay, so add. Create new calendar. Call this streaming schedule. Description. My live stream. Crazy K emote 727281 from Kick. So I don't know what the emote looks like. Apparently, Restream can't handle it. Kick. Or maybe I need a specific good vibes. Indeed, good vibes. My live streaming. What's going on with you, Crazy K? I'm screaming. Schedule. Not guaranteed. I don't even know how to spell that. Guaranteed. Of course I can't spell. He can't spell. He's been beaten by a second grader. Guaranteed. T with a D. Guaranteed. So it does have two E's. Okay, and then my time zone, I do believe, is like -100 or something. I'm on a completely different planet, -100. Okay, I don't know. Eat down, baby. Good calendar. Calendar creation in progress. Configure. That's it. Automatically add all invites to this calendar. Do not show invitations. Okay. Make available to public. Making your calendar public will make all events visible to the world, including via Google search. Are you sure? Yes. See all events. See only free, busy, high detail, see all event. Get shareable link. Let's get that. Copy link. This goes here. And then we'll get the schedule. Goofy looking writing happening. Small. Done. Okay. And then we'll close Kick. And to get back to the calendar, make changes and manage sharing. Can't change it. Notifications, all the event notifications, new events, agenda, integrate calendar to what? Okay, that must just be fancy stuff. iCal format, unsubscribe. That's really deep for a calendar. So general country Canada, time format, that looks fine. Time zone, display secondary time zone. Show world clock. What is all this stuff? Automatically add Google Meet video conferencing. Speedy meeting, show weekends, show declined events, view calendar, side by side, day view. There's so much stuff. Let's take me to. Is this the one did I accidentally share this? Sure. Okay, no. So just streaming calendar is public, right? Okay, it's not like I'm ever going to put anything else in here. Okay, so show me the whole month. I don't want to see holidays. Can I get those out of there? Thank you. Streaming schedule. Oops. Don't need any of this other stuff. So now let's go new, create, event, task, appointment schedule, book time with you. Whatever, event, I guess. And then that is synthetic development, I guess. And that will be every day. More options. Let's just do more options here. Streaming schedule, add notification. I don't need a notification. I don't need an event. Don't need to invite or see guests. Repeats custom. And this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Repeat every week. Ends never for now. This isn't all day. This is usually Monday. And that is what, 6 a.m. usually? 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 6. I don't know how well this is going to translate to other countries or other time zones, people in other time zones. And this goes until about 7:45. We'll say 7:30. It's going to be a little bit of a battle. I'll just go 45. I can always duck out early, right? Okay, can you not? 7:45 a.m. Let's make it difficult. Okay, that should be fine. Shabam. Look at that, eh? Okay, and then on Saturdays, this is unlikely to change. An event. This will be music feedback. And that is usually, I'm going to have to change this as I go as well. More options. Repeat weekly on Saturday. Can I get to custom? Okay, whatever. Weekly on Saturday, and this usually is from about 1 p.m. to about 5 p.m. No invites, blah, blah, blah. Streaming schedule. What does this mean? Oh, what the hell? What? This event follows the streaming settings of this calendar, and you may see the details of blah, 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 blah. Feedback. Then Sunday. It is synth-edit documentation. Documentation. Okay. And that is usually, again, about 1. Subject to change to about 5. Potentially more options. This will repeat weekly on Sunday. And turn this stuff off, even though I don't know what it means. And okay. Save that. So now then, can I get the monthly calendar? Interesting. All right, so that's in. Description. What did I put over here? My schedule lately has been synth-edit documentation. My schedule, I'll just say that. Check out the Google Calendar for an up-to-date schedule. For my up-to-date streaming schedule. Check out this Google Calendar for my up-to-date stream. Up-to-date, really? What else you got for me? Streaming, not spelled right. Okay. Save that. Now let's check this out here. So I'm going to grab this and we're going to head over to new private window, and then we're going to go hi.me/proxy. And we're going to bounce over to, I don't know, Finland, I guess. And we're going to see what this calendar looks like. I'm in Finland. No speed limit, huh? We sure seem to be dragging. That's not cool. Should go to different location. I guess I could just go right to the calendar. I don't know what I'm trying to go to. Copy image link here, and then we'll go to the Netherlands, I guess. Schedule. Ooh, very funny. Okay. Back. No, don't copy that. Copy that. Paste that and go. Why did it take it here? Okay, so can I say list settings and sharing? Get shareable link. Copy link. And perhaps we need to update this. Well, let's check this out first because I don't think it needs to be updated. Yeah, it's the same link. So then why? Because you got to sign in. Ugh. Okay, so let's go to my website, JWPsite.com. I don't think it's running yet. No, not yet. So we'll go to JWP site, standard, and we'll go live stream. We'll just build it underneath here. Live stream will be its own sort of section, I guess. How do I edit this? I'm not signed in as the right person. I guess not. Eh? Okay. What does this button do? I can't see it. Okay, there we go. Now let's go pages, live stream. It's supposed to be inside here. Why isn't it inside there? Okay, and then I want a new page. Add subpage. This is streaming schedule. Advanced, custom path, that's fine. And then we're going to go insert, embed. Now I want to grab that calendar. Sharing your calendar. Okay, not like that. Integrate calendar. Click Earl, embed frame. So let's copy that. You can use this code, customize with multiple calendars. Okay, so what do we got here? Screen schedule. That looks fine. I mean, it could be a little more blue, I guess. What is this? Cobalt? Peacock? Does it just say blue? Can't just say blue? How about blue? It's red, green, blue. So red, green, and blue. There you go. Good job. Doesn't look so great against the text though. Default view, week starts on, English, time zone, coordinated universal time. Dun dun dun. Okay, I can't customize anything else. You just tease me like that. Calendar title. It's already right there. Streaming schedule. See, I don't know why you'd. Okay, so let's see if that can be embedded code. Next, insert. Stretch it out. And stretch it down. Okay, maybe up a little bit more. Can you give me up a little bit more? Yeah, no. Too much. Boy, is it ever precise, man. Okay, and then we bring it in right there. Okay, can I do anything else here? No. Cancel. You can't just center it, like it's not a thing to be centered. What happens if this comes in then? Okay, that works. What's this? What did that do? Duplicate. Okay, now it's weird. Again. Okay, so let's go say about there, inside. But then it's not centered. Why can't you center? It's going here. And then we'll type in border width, height, width, 100 width, 100 view width, and 100 view height. View height, right? How do you like that? What do you think about that? You don't like that, okay? Maybe without the quotations. No, still don't like it. So let's put it back, I guess. Bed height. Can I customize it anymore here? There we go. So let's go. I don't want it to be like that though. As good as it gets, I'm not gonna fight with it. It's done. Actually, I gotta fix that though. Be nice if it would center. That's all I really want. I mean, I'd like for it to be a decent size, but okay, this can't move in between. No, it'll snap to the other end. Okay, so we'll go here. No. What happens if I go there then? Oh, I can just move it. I can just move it like that. Oh, and it automatically snaps to the center. But it's too small. Or it's too big, rather. It's still too big for that little window. Let's see if I can center it. No. It's just not going to happen. No, it's still too chunky. It's as good as it's going to get. I mean, that's what you get for using what you see is what you get publishers, right? I really wish it was better though. Like, jam. Can I, is there like insert? Yeah, there's calendar right there. So let's try this. It's probably going to be the same thing. Music schedule, birthdays. Can I get a different calendar? Other calendars. So maybe what I can do is I can copy this calendar. How do I do that again? So we'll go sharing settings, get shareable link, copy link, and then I'll head over to my other calendar that hosts the website, right? And then perhaps I can add other calendar from URL. calendar. Import failed. Oops. Subscribe to calendar. Does that work? No. Why are all these other ones? Browse calendars of interest. Well, import, export. Add calendar. Select from computer. Wow, this is difficult. General. Subscribe to calendar. Add calendar. JWP. From URL. A calendar. You can add a calendar using the iCal format by its address. Cancel. Isn't that in here somewhere? To a calendar iCal. Like that. Calendar created, fetching events on background. Okay, so hopefully that worked. Let's refresh this. And we'll see if it let me bring this calendar in. Doesn't look like that. There it is. Yeah. Okay, we'll put it in. There you go. Now, how does it look? It looks good. Looks really good. But I want month. Whoa, what happened? Okay, so we'll just, can I edit it? Show date, show time zone, show viewers time zone. There we go. Show title, navigation buttons, viewer mode, month, done. And we'll go as wide as we can. Move a little taller, I suppose. It's as tall as it gets. Oh, it can keep just going. Okay, how small can it get? Just be a squishy little thing. Yeah, it's just a squishy little thing. Okay, so I don't know how tall or how tall I want it. I mean, what's the maximum tallness? Does it just go on and stretch right out? Super calendar. Super calendar. So then you can't set the height or anything. So picky, eh? Okay, so we'll just be like reasonable size here. Maybe we'll fill the screen. We'll see what it looks like. Up and around and down and around. It's too big. I'd say that's reasonable. That's still a little too big. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, it's still too big. What's that like on a phone? Should be. Looks good on a phone. Or a tablet. Computer, it's just huge. We'll go back and we'll fix it up a bit. How do we get out of here now? So just a little bit smaller, maybe. Come down there. And then maybe in one. And another one. And it's centered, right? Oops. Yeah, it looks fine. Maybe still a little tall. Meh. Ugh. What happened to it? Why? guess we'll just expand it to the maximum. Still can't see it. I guess you can just never see it. I don't like it so wide. So back to where it was. You know what? That's just splitting hairs now. That's fine. It's done. Okay, publish. And then how do I share just this page? Pages, streaming schedule, properties, no. Share with others. Copy publish site link. What is this page? Can you? I don't want the preview. I want the actual page. Okay, so JWP site. Live streaming. Streaming schedule. There. Missing an E, but that's fine. We'll edit. Let's put the E back. Copy. And we'll put it down here again. For those people who need to see the link. Here's the link. I'm saved. And of course, like I said, this is going to change. It's going to be quite variable. 12 a.m. 7 a.m. Why is it different? Okay, so I got to figure out what happens when I change something. Right. Let's say I remove a day. Something. Is it going to update automatically on the other calendar? On the other calendar? Okay, so let's go here. Saturday 1st, and we'll just say add events. Let's say end of Twitch streaming. It's all day, does not repeat. Save. No guests. Save. End of Twitch streaming. Now, what does it look like here? Did that update? Or was it just like a copy that doesn't change? I need more water. It updated. Amazing. Okay. However, though, why doesn't it... See, this is 6 a.m. here. So I'm going to go over here. 7 a.m. Like, my time zone didn't change. Maybe it's set wrong. Okay, so how do I... Here? Settings. Next time. Format, time zone. Universal coordinated time. Well, my time is Edmonton, like I said. Label. This is my time. Display secondary time zone. Show world clock. Okay, so now what does it look like? Where's this world clock? Now everything's changed now. Okay. So this is not until 1. Till 2:45. Why is that so early? Not 1 a.m. Oh, that's right. 6 a.m. to 7:45. Okay, save. All events. Usually it would be this and following events, however. And why in the music feedback is now at 7 a.m. July 8th. It's not till 1 p.m. Okay, this all events. Okay, so now what do you say? Okay, so that's right. Now what does it say in... What does it say in wherever this proxy is? Hoping the time changes. Is error. Let's try free proxy. Proxy sites. Sure, whatever. Doesn't matter where it's coming from. As long as you can load the calendar widget, it's appreciated. Okay. No. But why? I don't understand. I don't get it. I think I got a proxy on my phone. Oh, it needs to update. Well, connect. Okay. So now I'm somewhere else. So where was I? DLive? DLive.com. JWP stream. Oh, it doesn't stream from my browser. So it doesn't work from my browser. I'm probably still logged in as someone else. Got it. Let's take me to JWP stream. I don't exist. Why don't I exist? Well then, let's try this since it wants to be so difficult. I'm going to send it to my phone. If that'll work. Oh no, because I'm not. Yeah, no. That's the wrong phone. I don't really want to type that all in. Let's go sites.google.com /site/JWP sites. Hopefully that works. Okay, so that worked. Live streaming schedule. Got the cute little calendar. I'll go by week, I suppose. So small. No, it's still the same. Let's change my location again. No, it's not updating. So let's check this out again. Go settings. Display secondary time zone. Viewers time? Wasn't there viewers time zone something? Ask to update my primary zone to current location. Showable clock didn't do anything. Weekends, view, blah. Okay, so let's try that out. Still the same. It says in the bottom event shown in. So we'll say Google Calendar, share, make, viewer time zone. How do I view my calendar? How do I change? How do I schedule a meeting with someone in a different time zone? I had multiple time zones. Full clock. I thought I had it working for a second there. Maybe I have to set it to this universal. Okay. Of course they're gonna change. I don't know, where am I? July. So it's an hour later? Everything's an hour later. Damn, 7 p.m.? Why does it go 7 p.m. and then freaking 1 p.m.? Let's see what this says. Still the same here. Event shown in. What does the website look like? Doesn't say that. What is this? Calendar. Okay, so under show in local time. How the calendar show local time. If you travel to different time zones, tap settings general, tap use device time zone. Okay, what? Settings general time zone. Display secondary. What? How do I get Google Calendar to show my local time? I travel, blah, blah, blah. Open the Google Calendar and top left, tap menu, but tap settings, tap general. Time zone. embedded. Okay, so I know this much. This is me. Somewhere. Settings and sharing. Not what I wanted. I didn't want that. I want this. I don't know. Oh well. Not much I can really do, huh? Why is everything so weird now? Why is synthetic documentation at 7 a.m.? It's supposed to be 1 p.m. 5 weekly on Sunday. On all day. Okay. All events. All right, so I don't know. People who are viewing it are going to have to figure it out for themselves. It would be nice if it would just automatically translate, but it doesn't. Maybe it's just something my phone's doing. I don't know. But, okay, rules. Let's get into the rules. My rules will just be civil. Follow the. I wonder if this supports Markdown. D live TLS. The D live TLS. Not sure that it'll follow Markdown. Give it a shot. Then we go like this. Oops. And like that, and like this. And we can get rid of that. Submit. And see what that looks like. No. No Markdown. Well. Okay, so that. Right there. What else we got? Tips, course tips. Links to here. It's $5. We'll get you instant feedback. Okay. Maybe we'll make it 10 just because I might be busy sometimes. And then gear, I'm going to skip gear. That's it. Live is sort of ready. I need water. All right. I can try the meet me again. It's unlikely that it's going to work. I didn't even turn off my virtual camera. I don't know why I'm trying to get in here. Where's the go live screen? Maybe I can get it from somewhere else. Back to live. What is this? I don't want to email. What is this? Search for streamer. Top diamonds. Like there's a different screen for it. I don't know why it gives me this little screen. An error occurred. I'm gonna have to try it offline, I guess. I don't know why it doesn't want to let me. So buy them. Right, so in terms of service is in. So DLive is pretty much done. What about backgrounds and stuff? Stuffinage. Let's go my channel. Oh, I'm already there. Okay, let's go settings. My profile. Mature tag preference. Mature content. What is X tag? Content rating policy. Blah, 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 blah. We expect material and behavior on this public listing is suitable. General. That's why I probably didn't show up. Special ratings for streams. Streamers responsible to apply be live. Expect it's your actions. Family friendly and mature. X. Monetization. Able to apply for verified global partnerships shown on homepage by default unless enables XTAG. XTAG content will be restricted to users who have XTAG content. Intense criticism, behavior, discussions of violence, sexual materials. I mean, I'm kind of this stuff. Excessive profanity, maybe depictions of violence, but I don't feel like X-rated. So no X-rated. That's probably why I didn't show up. Mature tag, yeah. I'd say. Do I still get shown on homepage? I do. Okay, family friendly. Shown on homepage with warning. Jeez, he's smoking. Jeez. Okay, well. I mean, it's not too bad. I just swear a little bit, that's all. It's not contain excessive swearing. Okay. So I'm going to take off my mature tag as well because, you know, I do my best to withhold my profanities because I know this is, you know, public. And if I do, you know, I'm in a bad mood or whatever, I will turn on the excessive swearing guy. Okay, so kick, not starter, kick, gong. So there's no backgrounds or anything. You just kind of, let's look at someone else here. Hot Beats TV. Oh, what happened to Hot Beats TV, man? Let's go watch Hot Beats TV. Nominations. Donate. Comment. What is this? This is like people and ish. Let's check out Chill Lo-Fi Beats. So yeah, I guess there isn't really any playlists. Oh, whoa. So, if I don't die, there's nothing to do there. Let's get some panels happening. Yeah. All 8 tiny panels. Okay, so first up is a boot. I want the whole boot. Is there like a specific aspect? No? Okay. And And this is a description. I'm going to sort of follow along. What is this? Staff. Are we stream a bot? So let's copy all this noise into here. Image links to, where does it link to? This can just come to the end here. Someone's golfing outside. A boat, where does a boat go? Problem loading page on JWP site. Yeah, it's not ready yet. But at least it's like kind of like in limbo. Maybe it has been updated. Let's go ahead and look at that. I might have to do another BRB, so to speak. So yeah, I'm gonna do a BRB. Nope, still not working. I'll just have to figure it out tomorrow. If it doesn't turn over, I'll have to do more digging. JWP site. Why does it look so squashed? Who's this crazy K? Let's go check my badge. Okay, you can close again. How do I stop editing panels? Whatever. Here's the schedule. No, not all that. Image links to. Just gonna have to click this. I need to add an image first, I guess. And that's the schedule small. Okay, no, not like that. Let's do that again. Which links to that. And now we want the rules. So this will be follow the kick TOS. And we need a link to that. Kick TOS. I do believe one more for tips. This is kick TOS. Still in there? No. Look here. That there. This is, of course, tips. But we got it from here. And that's it. I do believe. Yes. Okay. Updates, add. Ooh, add. How do I finish? Just click about, maybe? Maybe I switch. Okay, there we go. Word duck. Theory. Okay. I'm gonna. Whoa! Mic check. Okay. I'm gonna go peek at my face bunk here. We're gonna look at some photos. Actually, I should do that off stream. Okay, so now we can do some editing. Just need a new profile pic. So I should be streaming live. It should say I'm streaming live. Right? Yes. Streaming live. And I didn't get an hour ago. It didn't come through the multi-chat. What's going on with that? Am I just not pushed to the bottom? This crazy K came through. Weird. That's not right. Because I'm sure it says supported multi-chats restream. It says I can at least read from the Facebook, right? Yeah, everything is read. Why is there an arrow? What does that mean? Go to the settings of your Restream chat. Okay, look at that. The arrows are live. Okay, so what did they do? Facebook doesn't allow posting comments from your profile when a viewer show up on Restream chat. Facebook doesn't allow posting comments from your profile. If you want viewer comments to show up on Restream chat, you need to make your streams public on Facebook. Kidoki. Facebook groups, probably the same thing. No, I don't want the picture. How do we go back? Okay, right there. Facebook does not post in comments to group. Facebook no longer allows access in person. When stream to a group, a comment will look like this. Facebook user. Restream is awesome. But there's a way around it. The person comment needs to give Restream permission to access the picture. Once they've granted permission, all future comments will show their information. Recreated a page to give their permission. Interesting. But I'm not using any groups, so in order for me to see people's comments, this has to be public. So I just have to remember that for next time. Symbols. Blast balls. My chat wasn't showing up because it wasn't public. Now it'll show? Not today. Okay. Close. And then what we'll do here, we'll start off by, of course, getting in the middle. And we'll go filters and we'll go enhance, unsharpen. I might have presets. Yes, high res. Okay. Oh, no, let's have to do a balance first. We'll balance somewhere auto. Man. Oh man. It's a little much, I think. But I mean that's neutral, I guess. Can I say like 50% of that? Okay, well, I want to see. What did it do exactly? Anyways, let's try to find a reasonable balance here. No. I think I'm gonna get it. Okay, so what I can do is I can duplicate it, right? Can I go full screen here? So what I'll do is I'll duplicate somewhere, duplication. And then I'll auto balance this one. Maybe I could just do color balance. Let's see how well color balance works here. And auto color enhance, equalize. Oh. White balance. So that's the same thing, right? Okay, so we'll go auto color enhance. It's loading. Should be super red. Okay, so all I get is that. Maybe we'll turn this down a bit, perhaps. Fog. Boot there. A little darker. What's full blast again? It's too foggy. Right there, I guess. All right, then. Yeah, that's fine. So then we shall crop it. And we'll say aspect ratio 69, fixed aspect ratio. Do I really want fixed aspect ratio? We'll flip. Like so, over, down, around. Bring it down a bit. There, maybe up some. Out a little bit more. And down again. What's that look like? It didn't do anything. Let's try that again. We'll go 1-1, I suppose. Right, because most Facebook stuff is 1-1 anyway. Okay, so we'll do that. We're now fixed to 1-1. Come down a bit and up and over. And we want a third of the way up. In a bit. Center it like so, but down and over. Right there. That'll be good. And then we do image, scale image, and we only want about 1,000 pixels in height. It's 1920 by 1080. Maybe we'll go 1080. Now 1,000's good. I believe this is 96 cubic. We want no halo and go. That, and now we resharpen. And yeah, we're going to use the lo-fi setting. And didn't do a whole lot, but it's fine, I guess. Like I need to shave. And this is -2. Exportation. Go ahead. Load that up here. And upload. And we go portraits 2023. There, and there. And go ahead. So I wonder why my live didn't work. It's disappointing. I mean, I pay money for it, right? What's this little arrow? Add to block list. Oops. No, I don't want to do that. And even my chat doesn't show. Oh well. Okay, so let's drop that. What about LinkedIn here? What does LinkedIn say? It's probably gonna stupid picture. It should just take you to this thing. Okay, LinkedIn doesn't allow posting comments. If a profile's visibility in LinkedIn is set to off, the comments will look like this. Okay, it's understandable. I'd like to stream to LinkedIn. All these places. I'm gonna have to cut one though if I do want to somewhere else. Just for like the multi-chat, except for Discord. I don't really need Discord. I only have 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? 1, 2. I don't use Twitch anymore. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got one more extra. So it could be Trovo or LinkedIn. I imagine maybe I can switch between them, right? LinkedIn in the morning for my technical streams, I guess, and then Trovo, whatever the hell that is, in the evenings. But I gotta pull my Facebook public profile. Are gonna have 2 chat boxes running, and yeah. Okay. So Kick is done, but apparently we can do some customization, can we? Let's look at Bobby Boucher's picture content. No, it doesn't look like there's any customization. I'm sure there is, though. I remember seeing it. Creator dashboard. Channel actions. Stream info. Community. Chat settings. Badges, emote settings. Profile? No, not stream key. Hello. There we go. Edit banner image. Upload from local device. Let's go to streaming as something. That was channel graphics. Stream starting soon. Vertical assets. Session assets. Channel graphics. There we go. Twitch cover. But no, it's not Twitch cover. The selected image is less than the allowed minimum 1280 by 700. Well, shnikes. Let's rectify that then. Let's go music production. Twitch. This could just be called streaming now. I'm just gonna call it streaming. Probably gonna break stuff, but whatever. I'll fix stream session. That's channel graphics. Let's move this here. Session assets. No, let's take this out. So let's go cuts, and then we go paste, and then we go combine, and then combine, and they didn't combine. Session assets. Where did they go? Oh no. That's not good. Channel graphics. Knob files. No, knob files. Nothing. Oh, because I'm looking for skin. Okay. KNOB. Knob Studio. I have Knob Man still. Yes. Okay, so what's in here? Did I totally break it? Workflow. Crap, what did I do with them? Okay, so there. So what is this called? This is called Twitch cover. But I don't have any knob files for that. I wonder what I did to make that. Session assets, knob files, XSF data. Okay, well these can come in here then. And we'll call this channel assets. Then knob files, logo. Okay, so just a bunch of bubbles. Maybe in here. Twitch cover, there it is. Okay, so it's supposed to be some specific 1280 by 700. Can I make this 1280? It's just missing, I was actually missing quite a bit. 1280, 700. Since we're in here, perhaps I can do that changing of stuff I wanted to do. Sort of rebrand, so to speak. I wanted to take introduction files with the grid. How big is this? 1920 by 1080. So when I want there, so I'm gonna grab this and throw it in here. So 1280 by 700. Let's go file new. 1280, 700. Okay. And I want to open this in here. Can you do that or what? No? Not today? Jeez. Oh man. Open the GIMP. Not my face. Okay, and then where do we draw the line? Can I just re-render this? Are you going to be okay with that? Or are you going to act all weird about it? Did I open two? I probably opened two. Eh? Okay, so let's go rendering. It's been so long since I've been in here. Render image. So it works. Let's get rid of the other plane though. Background? Is it a background? Like environment or something? It's been so long. scene camera, and then node. That's not part of that. Tool camera, cycles. Here we go. World. There we go. Okay, so surface background, preview. Can I say alpha? Say strength 0. Let's see what that does. Okay. But is that an alpha though? Wow, that's taking long to draw. Five minutes remaining. What is it doing? Probably just be easier just to cut the other one because I don't even know if I'm getting any alpha. And I got to configure this. What is this? It's the second one. Okay, I think I want this. Space. Cycles, hair, performance, case. All these windows are in my way. Yeah, no, I gotta get more acclimated with it. It's gonna take a little while. So I guess I'm just gonna have to do it the hard way or the easy way or the other way. And we'll go color. That's not gonna work. Let's just try grabbing a bounding box here. What is snapping? Okay. Well, if it's, what do you call it? If it's exactly in half, right? 1080 divided by 2 is 540. Right? We just can delete that. Enter, delete. No. Okay, maybe it needs a layer transparency, add alpha channel. Let's try that again. Delete. No, 540. Yes. Yes. Okay. Delete. Thank you. Copy that, and then we have this, and then we'll drop that down there. How did that just automatically fit? I don't think it did. I think it cropped a little bit, eh? Yeah, it did. Okay, good. That's good. We're gonna get out of there. Delete this. We're gonna add a new layer. I guess we'll go transparency. We'll check out Unsplash. And we'll say Milky Way. What do they call it? Unsplash, and it's full of fucking splash. Not like the darkest one. Milky Way Galaxy, maybe? License free. There's NASA. I want it sideways though, like this, but not far away. And I can just flip this. No. Okay, let me out. I don't think it's going to get much better than that. It's quite bright, right? Okay, so we'll go download free. Go original size 1920. This should be fine. Okay. Then we're going to put that workflow, project data, streaming, channel assets, channel graphics. All those in stock. Okay, we'll throw that in. I'm also going to take the ultra high quality version. The smell of it. No, I don't want to replace that. This SD. Okay, then we'll head back over here. Get this in the center. We'll zoom out a bit. Ooh, not too much. And then, okay. Now we will. Where'd it go? Channel assets. Graphics. Where did it go now? Oh, stock. Stock, and we want SD, and toss it in here. Say keep. We'll say convert, and we'll say perceptual. And then zoom out here. It's a massive. We're gonna flip it. Say it that way, and we're gonna shrink it like so to there. What did they say they wanted? 1280. Scale. And then, oops, I don't want to cancel that. Just going to move it around a bit. Move it around. Is it not wanting to move? There's no selection to move. What do you mean there's no selection? I'm not trying to move a selection. I'm trying to move the layer. Move tool. What about this? No? No selection. You need a selection to move here. No? How about that? I want to move the layer. Selection. Layer. Annoying ass. Okay, so we'll put it about there. This will be on top of it. I don't like that. Oops, no, I don't want to move that. This. Maybe it would have been better off that way. What happens if this is on top of it? Just kind of wiggle it around, I suppose. Rotate. Not that one. Something like that, I guess. Then, yeah, go ahead. And then we'll scale it. Something like that. Move up. That. Maybe over here. Okay, over there. Over there. 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 And then we'll get a new layer happening with transparency, and I want the color of twilight. And twilight color. Don't I have like a color thing? Adobe color thing? Colored out Adobe or something. Adobe color tool? Color wheel? And then, where did my toilet? Oh, what is all this noise? Get out of here. All of y'all. Out of my face. I need hex. Okay, that doesn't help me. I need a name. I don't need a whole palette. There we go. That's what I want. And the center to be this. Okay. So let's hit complementary. Whatever. We don't need any of these. We do, however, have a fresh layer. Let's go gradients. And then I want specific gradients. Can I say reset? Custom. Many steps. Way too many steps. I just want one step. Deep C. So too many steps. Default. Load. Yeah, but that's not it. Maybe edit active gradient. There we go. Okay, so I can remember how to use this. What does it say? Click, select, drag, move. Shift click, extend selection. Shift drag, move, and compress. It's not letting me do anything. Maybe it's not editable. I wanted it over here, but not to take up the whole thing. Maybe this? I don't think so. Let's try. No, it's set selecting red. What setting before color? So how do I really gotta look this up? Why is it so difficult?
Hey there, a little bit of that initial blue color and a lot of that default a little.
What is this, like GIMP 5?
Flow, but it's kind of a pain, and I really wish there was a way to.
It's a pain. Okay, so let's put this back, I guess. Doesn't want to go back now. What's this? I'm live. Amazing. Okay. GIMP edit gradients. I gotta quit soon. I don't think this is really helping me. New gradients. Okay. Okay. Gradient editor. There is no new gradient button, is there? Zoom. There's only like zoom in and zoom out. Zoom all. So maybe it's this thing. Here. Custom. Wow, why is it hard? All these options. Using example for gradient editor. All these options seem boring. Here's an example. Open the gradient dialog. New gradients. This. I don't know what it's talking about. Back to videos. YouTube. Okay, so it's on okay, there we go.
Tutorial use 2.0. I'm going to from media design here, all from media. Go to really matter what composition. So you got graded version to Windows, dockable dialogues, palettes. But here you'll have a bunch of palette edits. Palette. I'll just for the first to add in blue, get a new entry. Only other, and then the fourth line. My background to the left. Those tabs. So now we've got our Davies Media Design custom gradient that we've created here, and part of the gradients, and it may pop up here, but you can just click and drag this down here. And part of this being a dockable dialog means that you can click and drag this and put it wherever you want, basically.
So he's got an add new button. What am I got an add new button?
I can bring it over here if I really want to.
How old is this video? 5 years ago?
The sort of standard location for this. So now we've got come over to create custom gradient, that gradient, and that's this, and I can drag.
So I gotta set it first. I gotta actually use it. Oh yeah, there it is. Bugger. Hex HTML notation. Okay. Well, where to go? Okay. And I want the other side black. maybe this has to be. This. Escape. Try again. No. Escape. There we go. Foreground to. Foreground to transparency. It is. Yeah. So weird. Did I just copy it? My patience is running thin. Something like that. Maybe the other way around. Okay, can I get some grid happening? Snap to grid, configure grid somewhere. Like I said, it's been a while. We're at 10s. What size is this? Let's go 25s. No, I can't do 25s. Whatever 10s it is. Doesn't matter really where this is as long as it's in line. Let's bring it up. So, I don't know. Looks cheap. Maybe like this. Can I move this? You gonna let me? As good as it gets then. I'm not fighting with it. I'm so done with all this. Okay. So how big is this? Let's shrink this down a little bit. Layer. Scale layer. Let's use the tool here. However, let's move this. Reset. Maybe like hold control or something. There's a way to move this around. I think we just go like that, and we go readjust. Okay, so let's bring this in so we can't use it anymore. Let's go out like this. Okay, can I move up? Not gonna let me move up. This down. This out. So missing that corner again. There, missing a corner again. Okay. So that should keep it from looking as cheap. No, it still looks pretty fucking cheap. Was it the one? That's good as it gets. I am leaving it there. I am so done with that. Let's go recently used. Oops. Stock. We'll come up. And we'll say this is kick frame. Kick. What's it called? Banner. I got an extra capital A in there. Export as kick banner. PG. I know it's tacky, whatever. Export. What is this? Read chat. Stream chat window. Oops. Close this. Get those set up tomorrow-ish. That's done. So now we can get it uploaded. offline banner. Probably going to be the same thing. It's too small. Kind of is too small. Must be 1080. Interesting. Interesting. Look at all these links and stuff. Eh? Okay, well, why do I need to buy it? Twitter, let's edit these. P Meta, Instagram, YouTube, JWP Tube, Discord, GG. Does that even do anything? Let's check the restream. Of course, I just closed that window. Okay, let's go to Stream Elements. Jump on the DAD with the timers, not timers, but commands rather. Timers, commands, custom commands, and Discord, GG, and I want this interesting thing. TikTok, no. Instagram, no. Twitter, no. There's no website. Can't just throw up your website like that. I guess that's it. So it's Kick, DLive, YouTube, Facebook twice, and BandLab. But BandLab can wait. Wow. I think I'm done for the day. I still gotta chop this up. So yeah, almost an hour. That's not even that long. It for today, I suppose. I'm gonna get back to living. Maybe bounce around the communities a bit. Yeah. What's going on with my overhead thing? Looks like it's just going nuts. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Actually, my banner image is wrong. I didn't put my icons up. As much as I'd like to do more to them, it doesn't look like that's going to happen. So let's go get banner and just drop them in. I can remember how to properly distribute things. It's these. And it goes DSP, images, then music. So just toss those in. Okay, so we'll go. Well, I found the one in thirds, right? We'll go 1980 by 3, 660. So then we shall guides, new guide by percent. No, we'll just go by number here. Guide. New guide. This is 660. Vertical. That's right in half. That's not what I wanted. Divided by 3. Vertical. Isn't this? No, it's only 700 or 1280. Okay, so 1280 by 3. Oops. 42. So we're going to have to use percentage then. Okay, so guides. Remove all guides. Can I distribute things? Is that a thing in GIMP? Let's see. Line. Relative to active layer distribute. center, left, to image. Whoa. Why is that? What? Well, did I just mask that? Okay. Move these around a little bit because they're on top of each other and I want to distribute them. In order to do that, I need to do like this, like that, and like that. Okay. Distribute? No. To image. To first item, to selection. Why did they all just kind of clutter? What are they doing? Okay. Distribute. No. Oh, offsets in there. Okay, so let's get the offset turned off. There we go. Wow. Okay, so it's done now. They are still in the same order. Amazingly, it must be the way the system sees them, I guess. Or maybe they're ordering. It's done. And click kick banner. G replace. Export. And update this kick banner again. Right. So what does that look like? Okay, can I get out of the deck? No, I don't want to minimize the dashboard. Kick JWP stream. It's not going to show me. I don't think. So yeah. Thanks for watching.